Permaculture is more than just gardening. It is a design system. It helps us create sustainable ways of living. Permaculture uses natural patterns. We can create systems that benefit both people and the planet.
Imagine a garden that takes care of itself. This is the beauty of permaculture. It is about working with nature, not against it. Permaculture gardens are designed to be low maintenance. They are highly productive. They mimic natural ecosystems. In a permaculture garden, waste is minimized and resources are used wisely.
Diversity is key. A variety of plants support each other. They also attract beneficial insects. The principles of permaculture extend beyond the garden. They can be applied to many aspects of life. This includes energy use, waste management, and even community building.
By adopting permaculture principles, we can move towards a more sustainable future. Permaculture is a journey, not a destination. It encourages us to observe, learn, and interact with our environment. By understanding the interconnectedness of all living things, we can create a healthier and more harmonious world.
Designing a self-sustaining garden begins with observation. Spend time in your garden, note the sunlight patterns, observe the wind direction, analyze the soil type. This information will guide your design decisions. Next, create a plan. Divide your garden into zones.
Zone 1 is closest to your home. It includes frequently harvested plants. Zone 2 houses perennial herbs and vegetables. Zone 3 is for larger fruit trees and shrubs. Zone 4 is for foraging and wild harvesting. Zone 5 is a natural area left undisturbed.
Consider the elements of your garden. Include a compost bin for recycling organic waste. Build raised beds for better drainage and soil structure. Incorporate a water harvesting system. Rain barrels collect rainwater from roofs. This reduces reliance on municipal water.
Choose plants that thrive in your climate. Select a variety of species. This includes nitrogen fixers, pest repellents, and companion plants. A diverse garden is more resilient to pests and diseases. It also attracts beneficial insects and wildlife.
Soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Healthy soil provides essential nutrients to plants. It improves water retention and drainage. It also supports a diverse ecosystem of microorganisms.
Avoid tilling the soil excessively. Tilling disrupts the natural structure of the soil. It can lead to erosion and loss of organic matter. Instead, focus on building soil fertility. Add compost, aged manure, and leaf mold regularly.
Mulching is crucial for soil health. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, and shredded leaves help retain moisture. They suppress weeds. They also decompose slowly, adding nutrients to the soil.
Practice crop rotation. Rotate crops each season. This prevents the depletion of specific nutrients. It helps control pests and diseases. Legumes like beans and peas fix nitrogen in the soil. They benefit subsequent crops.
Companion planting is a key principle in permaculture. It involves growing different plants together for mutual benefit.
Certain plant combinations deter pests, while others attract beneficial insects. Some even improve the growth and flavor of their neighbors.
For instance, planting basil near tomatoes repels tomato hornworms. Marigolds deter nematodes and other soil pests. Nasturtiums attract aphids, drawing them away from valuable crops.
Intercropping is another technique to consider. It involves planting tall and short plants together, maximizing space utilization and creating a microclimate that benefits both species.
Observe how plants interact in your garden. Experiment with different combinations. You'll discover fascinating synergies that enhance the health and productivity of your garden.
Water is a precious resource. Conserving it is essential, especially in drier climates. Permaculture gardens are designed to maximize water efficiency and minimize water waste.
Install a rain barrel system. Collect rainwater from roofs and use it to irrigate your garden. This reduces reliance on municipal water and provides plants with naturally soft water, free of chlorine and other chemicals.
Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation instead of overhead sprinklers. This delivers water directly to the roots of plants, reducing evaporation.
Mulching around plants helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. Choose drought-tolerant plant varieties whenever possible. These plants are adapted to thrive in areas with low rainfall and require less watering than thirstier species.
Group plants with similar water needs together. This makes watering more efficient and ensures that each plant gets the right amount of water.